What your body does tonight isn't random. It was decided hours ago. Not while you sleep, not while you rest, but in a single moment when you chose to keep eating or to stop. Because that choice sets off a domino effect deep within your cells. Most of us live in a state of constant input, never realizing that our biology has a second gear. A gear designed for clarity, repair, and resilience. Overnight, your body can move in two completely different directions. One keeps you running on constant external fuel, a roller coaster of spikes and crashes. The other forces your biology to switch systems entirely. Most people never experience that shift, not because they can't, but because they never give their body the time. We are biologically programmed to feast and fast, yet we've spent our lives only doing half the work. This isn't about extreme diets. It's not about deprivation or biohacking secrets. It's about something much simpler: time. In a world of more, the most powerful thing you can give your body is less. Think of your body as a massive 24-hour factory. All day long, you're in intake mode. Trucks, your meals are arriving non-stop at the loading docks. The conveyor belts are screaming. Workers are frantically unpacking, sorting, and shoving crates into overfilled warehouses. The problem? This factory is so busy processing new arrivals that there's no time to sweep the floors. The machines are running hot. Internal waste is piling up in the corners. Maintenance is scheduled for the night shift. The cleaning crews are ready. The technicians are waiting for the signal. But that signal, the moment the machines stop, only comes when the trucks stop arriving. If you keep eating into the night, the factory lights stay on. Maintenance is canceled again. Seconds after your last bite, a hormonal ballet begins. Your blood sugar rises, and your pancreas fires a flare. Insulin. Think of insulin as the ultimate gatekeeper. It knocks on every cell and says, "Open up, we have a delivery." Your muscles and liver take what they can. The rest? It's shoved into fat cells for long-term storage. As long as insulin is high, your body is biologically incapable of burning fat. The door to the fat cell is locked tight from the inside. Your body won't touch its reserves while the loading docks are still full. 3 to 4 hours after eating, the noise begins to fade. Insulin levels drop. Now, a different commander takes over. Glucagon. Glucagon is the warehouse manager. He has the keys to the reserves. At this stage, your body is preparing for the great switch. But then morning arrives, and you experience something interesting: the dawn effect. Even without food, your blood sugar may slightly rise. Why? Because your body releases cortisol, a natural wake-up hormone, to help mobilize energy for the day. This is why many people who practice fasting notice they aren't even hungry when they first wake up. Your body is already fueling itself from the inside. Then it happens. Your blood sugar hits a baseline low. Your brain receives a signal, ghrelin, the hunger hormone. This is where most people stop. But hungery's a wave, not a cliff. Most of what we call hunger is actually psychological conditioning. We eat because it's 12 p.m., or because we see others eating. If you stay busy and ignore the signal for just 20 minutes, the ghrelin wave subsides. Your body realizes the trucks aren't coming and starts looking for fuel elsewhere. Around 12 to 16 hours in, your glycogen battery is running low. Your body faces a choice: shut down or flip the switch to the massive backup generator. The fat cells finally unlock. Fatty acids pour into the bloodstream. You are now eating your own stored energy. This transition can feel like a fog, but it's actually your cells relearning how to be metabolically flexible. When those fats reach the liver, they can be converted into molecules called ketones. Ketones are high-octane rocket fuel for your brain. The brain fog lifts. The hunger vanishes. But there's a catch. As insulin drops, your kidneys release excess water and sodium. If you feel a headache or fatigue here, it's often not hunger, it's dehydration. A simple glass of water with a pinch of high-quality sea salt can be the secret weapon that helps keep your energy levels stable during this phase. But the most important process happens in the shadows: autophagy, self-eating. By pushing your fast toward that 20 to 23 hour mark, the 1 meal a day zone, this process peaks. Your cells identify broken proteins and recycle them. You are upgrading your internal machinery from the inside out. What about my muscle? Actually, the biology is smarter. During a fast, your body increases human growth hormone, HGH. This is a survival mechanism. Your body wants to keep you strong so you can still find food. As long as you provide enough protein during your eating window and stay active, your body will prioritize burning fat while guarding its lean tissue. It's strategic fueling, not starvation. So next time you feel that growl in your stomach, remember the factory. Remember the cleaning crew waiting for the signal. You're not just skipping a meal. You're giving your system the one thing it rarely gets: a chance to heal. How long is your longest fasting window? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready to switch gears, subscribe.